Think you know everything about houseplants? Get ready for some jaw-dropping surprises that could change the way you see your leafy friends. Houseplants are more than just decorations, they have some incredible secrets. For starters, did you know that spider plants can produce over 100 baby plants in just 1 year? That's right. These resilient little guys thrive in various conditions and make for easy propagation. Next up, let's talk about air quality. Houseplants like snake plants and peace lilies can purify indoor air by removing toxins, making your home not just beautiful but healthier too. Speaking of health, studies have shown that having houseplants can reduce stress levels and improve focus. Imagine scrolling through life while your mind is calmed by a leafy companion. Here's another cool fact. Some plants can actually listen. Yes, you heard that right. Certain species can sense vibrations and respond to them, which means they might react to your voice. Now, if you think you need a green thumb, think again. Many popular houseplants are incredibly low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and care, perfect for the busy bee. And here's a fun twist. During the dark, many houseplants actually switch gears and take in carbon dioxide to help you breathe easier at night. How cool is that? Now, have you ever heard of plant parenting? Many plant enthusiasts find joy in nurturing and caring for their plants, even naming them. Isn't that a fun way to create bonds? Lastly, did you know some plants can thrive underwater? There are actually species that can root into aquariums, transforming them into stunning underwater gardens. So, next time you look at your houseplants, remember these amazing facts that make them so special. What surprising fact blew your mind the most? Share in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more plant tips and tricks.